Nothing beats the taste of warm, freshly baked bread, but let's face it, making it at home can be a time-consuming process. Between the kneading, rising, and baking, it feels like a job for a professional. But what if there was a way to enjoy fresh bread with just the press of a button? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best bread maker machines of 2025, designed to bring the bakery to your kitchen without all the effort. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Let's dive in and find the perfect machine for your kitchen. At number 5, we have the KITCHENARM bread machine, perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers. With 29 pre-programmed settings, it offers an impressive range of options from basic white bread to gluten-free and even homemade jam. You can customize every detail, from loaf size to crust color. And with its fully programmable cycle, it's easy to create your own unique recipes. What makes it stand out? The press operation lets you save your favorite settings, making your next loaf as simple as adding ingredients and pressing start. Plus, the 15-hour delay timer means you can wake up to the smell of fresh bread. If you want a bread maker that offers flexibility and ease, this machine has you covered. Number 4, we have the KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine, a powerful and versatile bread maker designed to simplify your kitchen routine. This machine offers 17 different settings, from basic white bread to gluten-free, cake, and even pizza dough. The unique ceramic pan ensures healthier, evenly baked bread while being easy to clean. Plus, the 710-watt motor is ultra-quiet, making the kneading process efficient and less noisy than other models. Why is this bread maker a standout? Its smart touch panel is incredibly intuitive, and the automatic fruit and nut dispenser ensures perfect timing for your ingredients. With a 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function, you can enjoy fresh bread whenever you want. If you're after a machine that combines convenience and variety, the KBS Breadmaker delivers on all fronts. In third place, we have the Zojirushi Breadmaker, designed for bakers who demand flawless results. This machine is all about precision, with dual heaters on the top and bottom, ensuring perfectly even baking and browning. The double kneading blades thoroughly mix the dough, creating smooth and consistent results, no matter the recipe. Whether you're making whole wheat, gluten-free, or even vegan bread, this machine offers specialized settings for every diet. What sets it apart? The large LCD display makes it easy to select from a variety of courses, and with the homemade course option, you can customize your own baking process. Plus, the 13-hour delay timer means you can enjoy fresh bread anytime. If you're looking for a high-performance bread maker that consistently delivers top-notch bread, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is a strong contender. In second place, we have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker, a perfect choice for anyone looking to bake delicious bread with minimal effort. This versatile machine comes with 19 preset functions, allowing you to create everything from gluten-free and whole wheat bread to pizza dough and even jam. You can select your loaf size, crust color, and have up to 2 pounds of fresh homemade bread ready to enjoy. Why is this machine ranked so high? The intuitive interface and delay timer make it incredibly convenient. You can wake up to freshly baked bread with no hassle. Plus, the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze, and its compact design ensures it won't take up much counter space. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker offers convenience, variety, and consistently great results. At the top of our list is the Cuisinart Compact Bread Maker, a machine that offers both versatility and ease of use. This compact yet powerful bread maker can bake up to a 2-pound loaf and offers 12 pre-programmed settings, including options for gluten-free and artisan breads. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, you can customize your loaf with 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and choose between 1 or 2-pound loaves. What makes this machine the best? The intuitive LCD display, delay start timer, and viewing window make the entire process smooth and easy. It even keeps your bread warm for 60 minutes after baking. Plus, the vertical design saves space on your countertop without compromising on performance. If you want fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort, the Cuisinart Compact Bread Maker is the ultimate choice. As you can see, finding the perfect bread maker depends on your needs, whether it's versatility, ease of use, or compact design. Each of these machines offers unique features to make baking at home simple and enjoyable. Whichever you choose, you're sure to enjoy the taste and satisfaction of fresh, homemade bread. Let me know in the comments which bread maker is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.